This is the Swarm Vision Protocol, four powerful platforms working as one unstoppable ecosystem. PWE, the AI trading engine, 3 million Hermes agents scanning every currency market on the planet 24/7. When one agent in London finds a winning trade, 3 million agents validate it instantly. The proprietary PWE code tells you exactly what to do. Green-red means buy, red-green means sell. Green-green means strong conviction. It's the world's most comprehensive AI trading system. Now, meet Hermes, the AI swarm. 3 million agents communicating at the speed of light across London, Tokyo, New York, and Sydney. They don't just find trades, they cross-check, validate, and confirm through swarm consensus. When the swarm agrees, you get a validated signal delivered straight to your device. DigiRamp, the blockchain distribution powerhouse, founded by Peter Rafelson, the man behind Madonna's Open Your Heart with over 300 million records sold. DigiRamp brings blockchain-powered rights management, smart contract royalty distribution, and content delivery infrastructure to the ecosystem. Every transaction recorded, every right protected, every payment instant.